Steve Pierce here to talk weather, and we have really made up a lot of rainfall in one day this month.
Yeah, we've had more rain now, Ken, just today than we had in the first 16 days of January. So that just shows you how dry it's been this January. Take a look behind me at the current radar right now. Across the Pacific Northwest, look at all that rain continues in the 6 o'clock hour. Moderate to even heavy rain across the northern end of the Willamette Valley. We actually have a warm front that's pushing up through the Willamette Valley right now. It's just south of Portland right now. It'll continue to move north this evening. And actually, temperatures will respond accordingly, and they'll actually come up this evening as the rainfall continues. Take a look at some of these rainfall totals. This is just for calendar day today on Saturday as of midnight. Over an inch now, 1.11 inches in Portland. Look at that, an inch and a half at McMinnville, more than an inch in Salem, Eugene. Along the coast, look at some of these totals on the coast, 2.31 at Astoria. Very wet day out there, even by coastal standards. Hood River, 0.82, the Dalles, 0.88. The east side's also getting in on some of this rain. They need it on the east side, although the mountains could pick up a lot more snow. They're going to get a little bit of snow tomorrow night up in the Cascades, as you'll see here coming up shortly. So let's take a look at the current temperatures. As you can see, clearly that warm front moved through Salem, Eugene, 58, 59, nearly 60 degrees up and down the valley, but just a little easterly drift still through the Columbia River Gorge at your 6 o'clock hour. That's why Portland's a little cooler, actually almost 15 degrees cooler than other locations up and down the valley. Temperatures on the east side mostly in the 30s. So if you're heading out tonight, here's what you can expect. Temperatures actually come up. Rain continues, decreasing late. We'll finally get that cold front to sweep through overnight tonight and in the early morning hours, as you'll see coming up here on my rain and snowfall forecast. Here's tonight at midnight. You can see there's our front draped right across the Cascades. It's already moved through the valley around midnight. We'll continue on into your Sunday morning, 7:45. We just have scattered showers up and down the I-5 corridor. A few sun breaks even along the coast tomorrow if you're out there enjoying a weekend at the beach. And then continuing scattered showers. And you can see a little bit of snow now showing up and down the Cascade Range. That's because snowfall levels are going to actually lower tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. We continue on overnight overnight Sunday into your Monday. And by Monday, we start to clear it out. However, we're going to have fog returning to the Willamette Valley coming up this week. Taking a look at your coastal forecast on your Sunday. Showers and sun breaks, light west wind, temperatures mostly in the lower to mid 50s. You've got a high wind warning up along the coast tonight, gust between 50 and 60. That expires overnight tonight, so it should be a lot more of a calm day tomorrow than it was overnight tonight. In the valley, showers continue, light west winds, temperatures in the lower 50s. If you look on the eastern side of the state, basically showers ending there as well, just light west wind, temperatures mostly in the 40s. Looking into the gorge and the Cascades, rain turns to a little bit of snow as the snowfall level is around 7,000 feet tonight. We'll lower that snowfall level down to about 4,000 feet by tomorrow afternoon. So Government Camp, that high of 40 is going to be just after midnight. You'll actually drop throughout the day tomorrow. Cascade Locks, Hood River and the Dalles, all right around 50 degrees. And there's that all-important 7-day forecast as we get back to the work week. For those of you who have the day off from MLK weekend on Monday, AM fog and then PM sun actually on Monday and Tuesday, Ken. Wednesday and Thursday, we get a little bit of easterly wind in the metro area, but Salem, Eugene, points south, they're going to kind of stay stuck in the fog, and that's kind of how January has been going.
So did our rainfall today, did it catch us up to where we need to be in January?
Yeah, and that's another important thing. We've actually gotten up to about average where we're supposed to be for January after starting off very dry.
All right. Thanks a lot, Steve.
You bet.
Well, coming up, the Blazers try to bounce back from a tough loss.